Welcome to our line, the large line. Our generator died yesterday and we need a new one. We took the same one because it's easy to handle and it was convenient. We only use it with gas but also can use the propane. The propane adapter is in a box.
Extremely heavy.
It has pretty much everything you need to, including the spark plug removal tool. We found out that the screwdriver is not good, it's too skinny and flimsy.
Okay, that's way better.
Yeah, we had to change the screwdriver because the one provided was not good.
It's good, but it's not. Look, the difference. That's better one than what they provided. So, guys, get Firman, a better one. Not this, something like that.
Mine was
That's something new. So, no scissor, not a knife. Okay, guys, this is the oil.
in very tight space.
And before you put any oil, check if this valve is closed.
Which one?
The yellow one.
The yellow valve.
To be sure, otherwise you put oil here and everything is gonna go the other way. It's not worth it.
No, it's double-headed.
Yeah, that's funny. And have patience. And do this, that way you don't make a mess. That's for the gas. Okay.
The setup is under 10 minutes.
Probably. Okay, that's enough gas there. So when you start it, you need to push on the battery a couple of seconds, 5. You remove that sticker. You do that, that's fine, you actually started. And that's it. That's all that takes. Even a kid can do it, but don't forget to do this. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold this.
And then push back.
That's it. Anybody can do it.
And now?
Else. Lower noise, which is less power. More noise, more power. Before you put anything in, here you're gonna have to see how much is charging. If you don't do that, you're gonna damage your trailer or whatever, and when you stop it, unplug it. You don't wanna do it with this one in.
Then you have to start,
And it's
pull the
pretty-
leveler, then press then wait for that to tell you that it's 124, 25. Then you put whatever you want to charge in.
This
And-
one for the trailer, this is for the regular ones.
And then when you turn it off, you unplug everything first and then you turn it off.
Yes. And that's it. That's easy. Piece of cake.
10 minutes setup time.
Yeah, not even.
Not even, right?
And you're gonna have also the adapter for the propane. This is, like I said, for the spark plug. And this is the cover to
cover
protect it
to
when it's
protect it,
raining
yeah.
and everything. And don't forget, cover back this. Which is gonna happen right now. Because I know it's working, so doesn't make me keep it open.
Yeah, we pretty much keep it covered when we're not using it. And when
Yeah.
we're using it, we cover it up just on the top to make sure it gets the air. Like that, you protect the life of the generator. And then every 50 hours, you're supposed to clean the filters, which the filters is here on the side.
So,
And then the spark plugs every 100 hours. I don't know.
Yeah.
Nobody's gonna count the hours, but do it often.
You can. It's showing you on
Yeah.
the panel, but it's showing you the power. It's showing you actually the hours too, and you can do it. But just order a couple of spark plugs
To have extra handy.
already to have it handy, and then you can do it. It's easy. It's a good engine. It's working, like you said, like you see.
Thank you for watching. We appreciate your time. Please share, subscribe, and see us next time.